Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. By unaledi ane ex-boyfriend yakhe umawelele ngemva kokuthi babonakale baperforma ndawonye guys, but lo munye umele nalo munye umele nala kule part lamawelele abhekana ukuthi naledi khona akasalibethe ligama lanaledi vele atithulele mfana angakhulumi. So bantu bayasho ukuthi cha shem kwaze kwaba buhlungu kakhulu lokhu laba kubona ngo-art really sad kubabona abaperforma ngale ndlela ukwabona like when you have to work with someone awusafuni but awunaplan or ijob regardless of your differences kumele njena nibe ndzawonye nisebenze. So people are really reacting to that kokuthi ayikha kushubile shem. People are saying ukuthi they feel sorry for unaledi because babona ngazuthi umawelele was just using the girl to get fame. Now that sokutholile lokufunako la kufuna kasanandzaba ananaledi, so tiqhubekela njengempilo yakhe. So people are saying ukuthi it's really not fair for unaledi because bayabona ukuthi uyagowisha umntwana uyadeparture, but umawelele uyambona nje ukuthi yena akana stress and he was the one lo bekathi yena le relationship vele yena seyamhlula ubeketelele kakhulu. People are commenting ke uthi Sipho sethu 18 umfana kasafuni nokuthi naledi xa umjolo guys. Uthi maphiwana shwiyerile which is Tsonga, that means kuphelile. Uthi asanda maso mawelele are you disappointed me shem. Uthi Knowles yena they will be okay, it's a learning curve, they will come out very strong. Guys akushubile yathi kushubile breakup nje ibhlungu because wonke umuntu okhuluma ngayo because siyanati ondumile baqhubekile abantu no commenter. Uthi Michi 123 I knew there was someone who was gonna compare. Uthi user 83 ku-10 ngoza bongena. Uthi lena musi social distance ngani uthi khonko babhemu. So ngeke ngoza uthena hayi laba batikhiphela i-social distance abafuni nje kuthinzana bangaze bafakelane i-COVID. So kubuhlungu kakhulu as much as people are making fun of the situation, but it really hurts. Uthi Nhlanhla presents co-parenting. Uthi she's laying yena the awkwardness damn, and it's really awkward shame yo. Asithembe ukuthi batolungisa their differences. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.